Hey guys, Will's Garage here. So I picked up a lightweight lithium battery from an E92 M3. This one is from Antigravity batteries, and the size of this battery is an H6. This one in particular is a 24 amp hour battery, which is their lightest, lowest amp hour rated battery in H6 size. As you guys know, I have my E92 M3 stripped out, and I do not daily the car anymore. It's more of a track car, which is why I went for the lowest amp hour rating. But if you have a car that you still daily drive and have all the electronics still installed, you probably want to get at least the 60 amp hour battery. I still have the AC and computer screen installed. I haven't removed the radio yet, but I do have the speakers and everything removed. So I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work out with all the parasitic draw, but I do plan on removing more stuff in my car. So I just went ahead and went with the lowest and lightest version for this H6 battery. Antigravity advertises this to weigh at around 9 pounds, and I did weigh it myself on the scale, and it came in at 8.6 pounds, so that's pretty accurate. What's really cool about this battery is that it has a built-in restart jump starting system. So if you come back to your car and the battery's dead, you can simply just push this button, or if you can't access the battery, they give you a wireless remote that you can push, and right after pushing it, the battery will enable its reserves to allow you to start your car. Anyway, enough talking now. Let's get to installing the battery. Alright, so we are at the car now, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this old battery. So basically there's this metal clip right here. I was able to get this clip out very easily, but this one on the other side has very limited access because it's right up against the wall. Man, it's just little things like this that BMW does that makes it so difficult to work on. Oh, gosh, finally got unlatched. There's one more, looks like probably a 10mm bolt down here to completely remove the positive terminal. I'm just going to do that right now. Alright, and looks like there's one more bolt down here that's holding down the bottom of the battery. I'll take that out. Here I'm trying to pull the battery out and make sure to remove the venting valve right here. Pull that out. Holy crap, this thing's heavy. Alright, so the battery's out. I'm gonna weigh this thing and see how much it weighs. Yes, 57.8 pounds. Okay, so the stock AGM battery, as you can see, is 90 amp hour, 900 cold cranking amps. And now let's put in the new battery. And before doing that, I just wanted to note that the bottom strap, as you see that metal piece, oops, this my camera will focus. Yep, this metal piece right here is the bottom tie down for the battery. And as you can see, there are, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 holes to tie down the battery depending on the size. So I'm assuming I'm gonna have to move this tie down over to the left, maybe to this hole right here, in order to tie down the anti-gravity battery. So here's a view of the bottom strap. right down there. Put this bracket back in. Alright, so this is what the new battery looks like in its compartment. Much smaller, much lighter weight. It's probably gonna throw off my corner balance, but that's alright. I'm gonna be doing more weight savings mods, so I'm gonna have to re-corner balance anyways. Alright, and almost forgot, you have to register the battery. So I'm gonna use this OBD2 adapter here. You're gonna have to turn the ignition on. Alright, so to set the code of the battery, I'm going to use the Beamer Code app. I'm going to connect 3 series. Alright, so this is the main menu of Beamer Code. I'm going to hit Car Access System. Alright, so right now it's showing battery type is 90 amp hour AGM. That's the old battery I had in there. We don't want that. And as you can see, you can go all the way up to 110 amp hour. But the lowest is 46 amp hour. There's nothing lower than that. So I'm just going to choose 46 amp hour and save. And as you can see, it says 46 amp hour as battery type now. And you can hit code. Whoops. I'm going to hit code and start coding. Coding complete, so we're all set, good to go. Disconnect. And I'm curious now, since I have Beamer Link, I'm just going to go in there and connect. And it technically should say 46 amp hour. Okay, yeah, this says 46 amp hour and state of charge is 99%. Great. We are good to go. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.